राकेश शर्मा। सारे राष्ट्र का ध्यान आपके तरफ है और हम सब आपको बधाई देते हैं। यह एक ऐतिहासिक कदम है। मेरी आशा है कि इससे हमारा देश अंतरिक्ष के प्रति जागरूक होगा।
In 1984,
Gaganyaan mission. Why in news? Recently, the Union Minister of Atomic Energy and Space informed that the crewed Gaganyaan mission will finally be launched in 2023. The country's first space station is likely to come up by 2030. The key points about Gaganyaan. Gaganyaan is a mission by the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. Under the Gaganyaan schedule, 3 flights will be sent into orbit. There will be 2 unmanned flights and 1 human space flight. The Gaganyaan system module, called the orbital module, will have 3 Indian astronauts, including a woman. It will circle Earth at a low Earth orbit at an altitude of 300 to 400 km from Earth for 5 to 7 days. With that launch, India will be in the elite club of nations America, China, and Russia. Then payloads. The payloads will consist of, first one is crew module, which is spacecraft carrying human beings, and the other one is service module, which is powered by 2 liquid propellant engines. It will be equipped with emergency escape and emergency mission abort. The launch, GSLV Mk-3rd, also called the LVM-3rd, that is Launch Vehicle Mark 3, the 3-stage heavy lift launch vehicle, will be used to launch Gaganyaan as it has the necessary payload capability. Gaganyaan's major missions, like the test vehicle flight for the validation of crew escape system performance and first uncrewed mission of Gaganyaan, that is G1, are scheduled during the beginning of the second half of next year, that is 2022. This will be followed by the second uncrewed mission at the end of 2022. Carrying Vyomitra, a spacefaring human robot developed by ISRO, and finally the first crewed Gaganyaan mission in 2023. Then some of the significance. It will help in enhancement of science and technology levels in the country and help inspire youth. The Gaganyaan will involve numerous agencies, laboratories, disciplines, industries and departments. It will help in the improvement of industrial growth. A new organization in space, part of reforms to increase private participation in the space sector, was announced last year, 2021. It will help in the development of technology for social benefits. It will help in improving international collaborations. One international space station, that is ISS, put up by multiple countries and may not be enough. Regional ecosystems will be needed and Gaganyaan will focus on regional needs, food, water and energy security. Other upcoming missions. Shukrayaan Venus mission for 2023. The Shukrayaan orbiter will be the first mission to Venus by the ISRO and will study the planet for 4 years. L1 Aditya Solar for 2022-23. It is India's first scientific expedition to study the sun. It will be ISRO's second space-based astronomy mission after AstroSat, which was launched in 2015. Chandrayaan-3 mission for 2022-23. The Chandrayaan-3, a follow-up of the Chandrayaan-2 mission, involves various processes including finalization of configuration, systems realization, integration, spacecraft level detail testing, and a number of special tests to evaluate the system performance on the Earth.